This video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called Btnw. By the way, this ransomware is from the Djvu ransomware family. Today, this ransomware attacks many computers and it specifically targets many files, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. So, this is what happens. Before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open any of your files. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then you realize that something bad has happened with the files and that you cannot use the data anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them. It appends this Btnw extension. So pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This is what happened. You try to open the specific file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Btnw appended extension. If you try to remove the extension manually, this does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money, so don't pay it. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it. After it gets installed, the program most likely would first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection of any malware. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. As I said, first of all, the software would update its anti-malware database. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. The premium license of Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, which actually allows you to add one or several folders that would always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data.